Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create custom screens and apply various fields to them to use them for your work items or issues on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira site. And what you'll need to do, guys, is create these screens through your Jira site settings. To access these, click into that gear icon in the top right corner and select work items. Or if you're using an older version of Jira, select issues here. And after that, here on the left panel, guys, head over to screens. And last but not least, go through that list of default or available screens. You may customize these by clicking into these three dots here to the right and click into configure. Or if you'd like to create a custom screen, guys, click into add screen here in the top right corner to use them later for your issues. So let me name it, for instance, test screen 1, describe it below, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and so on and so forth. Click into add, and after a brief moment, the screen will be successfully created here, as you can see. So as previously mentioned, guys, some configuration may be necessary. To do that, hover your mouse over the given screen, click into these three dots, select configure. And in the next step, you may configure your screen, for example, by configuring these fields by selecting them. For instance, you may click into that arrow down icon here and select your fields like description or assignee or attachment and so on and so forth. And you may add as many fields you like to your screen. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, these changes are automatically saved, so you don't need to press any save button here. Simply return to the previous menu, to your project, and from now on you can use screens to apply them to your issues or work items. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.